It's me, Mr. Chua. I hope you are doing okay amidst the pandemic that we are facing right now. And I just want to thank you guys for communicating up with me through our class dojos, asking me questions, sending me messages, and sending me pictures of your artworks. I'm telling you guys, you are doing a great job. And to make it different, I made a video for our lesson for today, and I hope you enjoy this one. So let's start. So we will be learning how to draw 3D objects using one-point perspective. But before that, let us learn first what is parallel lines. These are lines that don't meet or cross. Even if you extend them, they will not cross each other or they will not meet. Now we will begin with our drawing, starting off with putting our point of perspective in our paper. Now let's try to make a cuboid or a box. And first we need to make a square or a rectangle first. And then we are going to connect all those corners of our shape to our point of perspective. So here we go. This is the number 3 corner. We will connect it to the point of perspective. And the last one. There you go. And then let's make the second square. Make sure it's parallel to the corresponding sides. And the top part, this one is parallel to the second line that we are going to make for the second square. There we go. And then the third side, make sure it's parallel also to that other side. There you go. We have our second small square after we are done with the big one. Then all you gotta do now is just erase those lines which you think are not supposed to be seen because they're actually at the back of our box. There you go. So that is how we make or draw a 3D cube or cuboid. Now we can make another smaller box similar to the box that we made. So just follow again the steps. Make a square, then the second square, smaller one. Just make sure it's all parallel. The sides would be parallel so that our cuboid will be perfect. There you go. And then just erase those lines again, which we think are supposed not to be seen because they are at the back of our box. Now one thing to know about one point perspective is when you draw your shape above the point of perspective, it will make a bottom view. And when you put your drawing under your point of perspective, it becomes a top view of your 3D object. That's what you can see here, the difference of the two. Now let's try to use another shape. This time it's a circle. And as what I always say, we start with a sketch first if we are not sure with our drawing, and trace it back darker when we are done with the sketch. And then after our circle, we are going to connect it, the side, the edge of that circle to our point of perspective, and then draw the second circle, the smaller one. Make sure it's still inside those lines. And as you can see, we are already forming a 3D form, which is a cylinder. And then erase that line
because it's not supposed to be seen. It's at the back of your 3D object. And that's it for today. Now it's time for you to try it and use the 1 point perspective to make 3D object. Now this is just a part 1. We will use your artwork after you're done with this. The next part 2 we will be coloring it, and we will learn some techniques how to make it more like 3D looking objects. Enjoy!